Hey, Lucky Dogs. This is Lucky. Made a little mistake today. I forgot to put my my awning in. Fell asleep down here in Georgia. Had a little rainstorm. Baba. And also, it's kind of blowing real good last night. A little while earlier today. Get up there and check them rain gutters. Make sure they ain't clogged. Got some pine trees in the area. Probably also on this particular model got a slide. Make sure ain't nothing on top of that puppy either. Now, you can pay somebody to do this. I suggest you do it yourself if you ain't afraid of heights. But first, I'm gonna have to let this awning in. Make sure it's tracking right. So, don't look bent. That's what happens when you fall asleep. I'm a little tired from working all week. So, let's see what happens. Get back at you. Oh, by the way, before you go up there, do it yourself. Ideal, works out real good. Is instead of buying those pads from Home Depot that goes on the edge of the ladders, get yourself a pair of gloves. I don't know if you can see them too good. The sun's going down. Get yourself a pair of gloves. Put them over the top. Just put a little electric tape around it. That way you don't scratch your camper. That'll save you a few dollars. I know I can use a few dollars. So, let's let that awning in first and make sure it closed while we check those gutters out. Okay. Awning didn't bend, so I guess I got lucky. Now let's check them gutters out. Couple downspouts right there. Sure ain't nothing in those puppies. Now you can pay somebody to do this, but I suggest you do it yourself. Be right back at you. Let's get up there. Yeah. Ooh, Bubba. Alrighty. Okay. Nothing on that side. Little piece of pine in there, but that's nothing. Got a walkable roof, but I'm not gonna go that way. Take my time, go around. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. I'm okay. Oh, that's gonna hurt tomorrow. But I guess that's why they call me Lucky. Whew. Let's move that ladder around. Well, this time we're gonna put that ladder on the slide. That way it don't slide. Let's check it out. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Somebody gotta do it. Okay. Looking pretty good. All right, tree didn't give me. Little pine needles. Cause you know if you don't, sun going down, I can't see, but you don't want it going up underneath your roof. So best to check these from time to time. Yeah. At least I did close the vent. Guess that's why they call me Lucky. Till next time, folks. Y'all stay frosty. I gotta get to that air conditioner. Install one of those Microsoft Easy Starts. Probably run it off my 2,000 watt wind generator. Yeah. That's time for another video.